Welcome to the second hour of the Capital in the background. Guess what? Artistic is in the building. He's the one singing the song. Good afternoon and welcome to PDFM Putwan.
Afternoon, sir. How you doing?
I'm fantastic. Let's talk about artistic in Twenjen. Ubani artistic and the song Twenjen Kulmanga.
Artistic is a hood journalist artist from Israel. Doing nice music. Mostly, I look at the surroundings. That's where my inspiration comes from.
That's why you draw inspiration. Let's talk a bit about in Twenjen. Kulmanga and Gulengo.
Based on someone that I really fell in love with so deep ngalendlela leyo ukuthi ungithathile to leyo point.
Ukuthi uqedelela ubhala ingoma ngayo.
It's surprising.
Unesikhathi esingakanani uyenza umculo?
I started in 2016. I'm still with it namanje through all the challenges.
And umculo wakho uthi umculo njani?
All of them is based on reality, based on what I see based on my everyday life experience, each and every now and then. So I mostly derive inspiration from that.
Okay. And umuzic wakho unice kanjani? Yeah, quite a fine song. Imikondo yakho usobucaba ngani ukuthi ubhale ingoma enje brawa ngayo le ngoma engithathile. Tell Guinness.
Ingithathile nami kakhulu and it was based on personal perspective, personal experience because of I never really went that much ngothando. Yes, I was
First love.
No, it wasn't first love, but first true love.
First true love, to be honest.
Yes.
Okay. Asikhulume ke usebenze nabo bani and then ubani abaku-inspire ukuthi uyenze music?
Inspiration yaselokishini mostly that like keeps me consistent with music because of mine. That's where I get my daily inspiration each and every now and then. In 2022, I hosted the event. Hustle First. It was one of the biggest events I've ever hosted. I spent something close to 50K. So for me,
yeah, 50K.
Yeah, it was budget.
Where did you get so much money back?
I have a small business, but I mostly deal with Ogoti. What do you have on your shop? What are you selling? Okay. Can I provide
so
it for you?
You're also a businessman?
Yeah, I'm a businessman, a young entrepreneur also.
Okay. Oh, so that event, when's the event with the music?
Nah, the event didn't actually give much fruits as expected, but it was an achievement for me. You know, sometimes we have to rewrite a history and write a history that is in the future. So that event for me was a success, even though it was a turning
point, basically.
Yeah, and getting established people, getting recognized by certain people. Yeah.
Manje mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi yini yakwenza ukuthi uqale ukuyenza music, ubani wake-inspire-ayo, ubani la ubhekela kiwo ukuthi uyabona lo uye ayenza ukuthi mina ngiyenze music, ngithe mangizwa umculo wakhe mangathi nami ngifuna ukufana naye. Kunabantu abanjalo or abekho?
Ngicela ukuba honest now.
Yeah.
Inspiration, it comes in different forms.
Yeah.
So mina ukuze ngisike to music, it was something that kind of saved me. So based on ukhona abantu abenza music elokishini, commercially and everywhere, I came along amagida aselokishini enza music, and I would pull up in different studios until I ended up finding a certain consistent studio, not looking up to those artists about local. Because honestly, we don't listen to each other as local artists. No.
Okay,
yeah, and if I would look at Eminem, I wouldn't do what Eminem does.
Yeah.
But based on experience, and how I express myself, and the inspiration that touches me, that's my inspiration. That's my movement.
And then so far, mahamba uyenza umusic wakho udibane nani endleleni, ama-achievements wakho amaningi yini, into ezinjani lezo udibane nazo endleleni yakho yomusic?
So music, for me, it wasn't like I grew up as rapper or anything. I was listening to all genres of music.
Yeah.
That's why I ended up becoming like a versatile artist. So me meeting music, when I get to, especially on the hip hop side and the pop side, and also going on growing, I found a way. I found